sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning. How did you do exams? How did you write your exams? Not good? Not good or not bad?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Tanmay, how did you do your exam? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Nobody is answering why you did not do well in the exams.
Sir, I wrote nice, sir.
Swati, is it Swati?
Yes, sir.
It was very
No. How many marks are you going to get?
About 55, I'm thinking, sir.
55. 55 is good. Excellent.
sir. I am also expecting about 57 like that, sir.
Very good. Let us check. Let us check today. Let us check how many marks you are going to get. Okay. You take a pen. You take your notebook. I'm going to give you the answers to all the questions. Okay. You can give marks to yourself. Are you ready with your pen and notebook?
Yes, sir.
There are 24 so far. Can we expect more? How many attended the earlier class? Which was the first class?
Mathematics, sir.
Maths, sir.
Maths. How many attended maths class?
25.
30 members.
Okay, because you are very tired until yesterday writing exams. You have not, many have not attended. Okay, 25, I think. Shall we begin? 27. As it is the first day after the exams, most of you were tired and most of you want to take rest today. Anyway, tomorrow you have a good morning, good morning. Have you given attendance? Yeah. The first question, the same model paper, I mean, same model will be there even for second semester exams. Now let us concentrate on second semester from tomorrow onwards. Let us check how many marks we are going to get and whether we have done well in the first semester exam or not. 15 questions will be given. Out of 15, you have to write how many?
12.
12 only.
12.
Right. That means you have you can leave 3 questions. In the same way, part B and part 3 also 3 more questions and 5 more questions also. You can leave 3. 9 will be given, you have to attempt 6 in part B and part C also. So on the whole, 60 marks. Now, how do you feel when you get an opportunity to participate in a summer camp and make new friends?
I feel
Excited.
very happy when I get an opportunity
Very
to
happy
participate
and,
in a summer camp and make a new friend.
Okay, all of you have done it.
Yes, sir.
I feel excited.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
What was your answer?
Very
Yes, sir. I feel
excited and happy,
excited.
sir.
I feel excited and happy when I get an opportunity to participate.
An opportunity to participate in a summer camp and to make a
And
new
make a
friends.
new friend.
Okay, right. Now, second question. Write any two things which you like in your polytechnic. Very easy.
Good faculty.
Yeah.
My lab room, my lab class, and the garden which was in my college.
Yeah, have you given 1 mark to yourself? 1 mark.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
1 mark for first question. And
Yes,
second
sir.
question. The two things which I like in my polytechnic are, it should be like that. I told you, every time you have to answer in complete sentences. Only if you can't answer in complete sentences, you have to answer in words. Okay. The two things which I like in my polytechnic or in our polytechnic are: 1, the beautiful garden; 2, excellent lecturers. Okay, 2, only 2 you have to give. Right? Have you given 2?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
1 mark. Write 1 mark.
Yes,
for
sir.
3. See, these are some examples. Question number 3. Describe your mobile using 2 adjectives. See, it is clearly given, not describing words. Actually, describing words is the word we used in our textbook, but here they have used adjectives directly. Now, describe your mobile using 2 adjectives. Anybody?
Knowledgeable and harmful.
Okay, but mobiles are knowledgeable and harmful. That is the complete answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Nowhere it
My
was
mom.
given answer in words, answer in sentences. Okay, mobiles are harmful and useful, right? Give 1 mark if you have answered correctly. Fourth question. Describe your mother using 2 adjectives.
My mother is beautiful and caring.
Right, very good. My mother is beautiful and loving and caring. Right, 1 mark.
My mother makes delicious food.
Yeah, my mother makes delicious food. Again, delicious is the adjective here. My mother makes delicious food. Right. Any other answer? Right. How many marks you got so far?
3 marks, sir.
4 out of
Out of 4 you
4.
got 3. Some of you might have got
Fine.
3, or some of you might have got 4. Right. Add. Now next, rewrite the following sentences correcting the underlined words. Right? Yeah, he eats.
DESSERT.
DESSERT.
Yeah, double S is the word. DESSERT. Okay. DESERT is desert, is a dry land. Edari. DESSERT is a small sweet, I think. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Eaten at the end of
Yes,
meal.
sir. Sweet.
Eaten at the end of meal. Right. 5 marks. Some of you got 4. This one they applied dye.
DYE.
DYE is the word. Correct. DYE. See, 1 mark for DESSERT, 1 mark for DYE. I mean half mark. Half mark for DESSERT. If you have written DESSERT, half. If you have written DYE, half. If you have written both correctly, you get 1 mark. Right. What is the meaning of the idiom once in a blue moon?
Very rare.
Right,
This
correct.
idiom is rarely.
Correct, very good. Very good. So you can add one more mark. Very rarely. Change the following sentences into WH questions. Question using the given hint. They went to Japan to study medicine.
Where
Where,
they went to study medicine.
Where they went to study.
Where did they go to study medicine?
yeah, Tanmay, I think Tanmay has given the correct answer. All the other have given wrong answer. That is not question at all. Where they went అనేది క్వశ్చన్ ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పిన నేను వర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ అనేది క్వశ్చన్ లో మారుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి డిడ్ డూ తోటి కనీసం 100 సెంటెన్సెస్ చేసి ఉంటాం మనం అయినా మళ్ళీ మీరు తప్పు చేసిండ్రు సో మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ డోంట్ గెట్ మార్క్ ఫర్ దిస్ వేర్ డిడ్ దే గో టు స్టడీ మెడిసిన్ దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వేర్ డిడ్ దే గో టు స్టడీ మెడిసిన్ డిడ్ ప్లస్ బి ఫార్మ్ డిడ్ ప్లస్ V1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పాస్ట్ అని చెప్పినాను డిడ్ ప్లస్ గో ఉండాలి where they went అనేది క్వశ్చన్ అవుతుంది that is not a question. Please work hard. I am disappointed with your answer to this question. Only one person has given correct answer. Where did they go, not where they went. Now next, change the voice of the following sentence. They are playing cricket.
Cricket is played by them.
Wrong.
Cricket is being played by them.
Yes, correct. Who said it? Manga?
Yes, is being played.
Yes, sir. Manga, sir.
Yeah, cricket is being played by them. Tense ఉంది చూడండి ప్రాక్టీస్ అన్ని మనం చేసే they are playing cricket. Cricket is being played by them. That is the correct answer. Those who have written this can add one more mark to you, otherwise don't add. Cricket is being played by them. 9th question. Read the passage and answer the following question. Very direct, very simple. Have you read this paragraph on a vaccine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How does a vaccine help us?
Vaccine protects
Vaccine helps us in acquiring
helps
immunity
us against more 20
Diseases.
and protects us against more than prevents us diseases.
Right, very good. I hope all of you have done it correctly. 9th question, I think all of you have done it. 10th, read the passage and answer the following question. Green home. How do green homes help the environment? How do green homes help the environment? Not answered? If you can, you can read now, it's now also. You can read now and answer. Try to remember your answer.
A greenhouse may utilize sustainable, source, environment friendly, and recycle building materials.
Okay, right, correct. But is it a greenhouse or green home?
Green homes. Sir.
Yeah, no, why did, yeah, when there is green home, you cannot
Sorry,
change
sir,
it to
by
greenhouse. Okay, now write 2 salutations used in a letter to your friend. Salutation అంటే అడ్రస్ చేయడం ఎట్లా అడ్రస్ చేస్తాము? Salutation. In the last class, I told you the word salutation. Have you attempted this question? Dear friend, my dear friend, oh my dear friend, that is addressing. How you address your friend. My dearest friend, dear Raghu or dear Rama, my dear Rama, my dearest Rama, my dearest friend. This is how you address your friend. This is salutation. Salute చేయడము. మీకు రూట్స్ వొకాబులరీలో చెప్పినాను. ఏదైనా వర్డ్ కొత్తది వచ్చినప్పుడు దాని రూట్ ఏం కావచ్చు అనేది ఆలోచించాలి. దాన్ని స్ప్లిట్ ఇంటూ డిఫరెంట్ వర్డ్స్. సాల్యుటేషన్ లో సల్యూట్ కనబడుతుందా? సల్యూట్ చేయడం అంటే అడ్రస్ చేయడం అని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి మరి. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ యు రైట్ ఇన్ ద హెడింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ఫార్మల్ లెటర్? దిస్ ఈస్, ఐ థింక్ this is not a good question actually. This is not a good question. Address of the writer and date will be written in the heading అన్నాడు. లెటర్ లో హెడ్డింగ్ ఏముంటది? యాక్చువల్గా లెటర్ లో హెడ్డింగ్ ఏమి ఉండదు. ది రాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్. అడ్రస్ ఆఫ్ ద రైటర్ అండ్ డేట్ విల్ బి written. If you have written it, please add one more mark, otherwise don't add. 13. Request a friend to give her mathematics notebook to complete the pending work.
Can you please give me your mathematics notebook to complete my pending work?
Right, correct, 100% correct.
Could you give me your mathematics notebook to complete the pending work?
Correct. Yeah, one mark, add one more mark. We have studied number of examples, number of various expressions. Further, write a sentence using the following structure. S plus V plus O, very simple.
He brought fruits.
He brought notes, that's all. Others?
She cooks food.
She?
Cooks food.
Correct, she cooks food.
I collect books.
I like books, correct.
Children like chocolates.
Children like chocolates. Correct, correct. You add one more mark for this. I hope all of you have done this. Read the following paragraph and identify the topic sentence. Topic sentence అంటే మనం చెప్పినాం. What is the main sentence ఏంది అందులో? Summary చెప్పేటువంటి sentence. That is topic. Topic ఏంటిది అనేది చెప్పేది topic sentence. What is the topic sentence in this paragraph?
Planting the seeds and pulling the weeds.
Is it about that? What is the main thing in the paragraph?
Growing the garden. About
Growing
growing the
a
garden.
garden.
Uses of a garden.
Yeah, almost. I think you have done it correctly. I think usually the first sentence is the topic sentence. Usually, growing a garden can be fun. So this is about gardening, right? What is this paragraph about?
Gardening.
Gardening, kada? Kanuka, growing a garden can be fun, good exercise, and will provide fresh fruits and vegetables for the gardener. I think that is nice. Okay, other also planting the seeds and pulling weeds are good exercise for anyone. అనే దాని గురించి ఈ paragraph main దేని గురించి? What is this paragraph about? చెప్పండి.
Growing a garden.
Growing the garden.
Garden, kada? Kanuka, the first sentence can be the topic sentence, right? If you have written it, write one mark, otherwise don't add. Now, newspaper reading helps in enhancing vocabulary. Write 3 sentences supporting the statement. Newspaper reading helps
Yes,
in
reading newspaper.
Newspaper reading
Yes,
helps.
reading newspaper helps us in vocabulary and grammar. It improves our English.
Improves our knowledge.
And we'll get information about.
It increases our communication skills, sir. LSRW.
See, and I am sure all of you have done it wrongly. What is the question about? The question is
About reading a newspaper.
no, it is not about reading a newspaper. Newspaper reading helps in enhancing vocabulary. Vocabulary, what is meant by vocabulary? What is vocabulary? vocabulary అంటే ఏంది తెలియదా?
Meanings.
వర్డ్స్.
It says
vocabulary అంటే వర్డ్స్ కదా. ఎన్హాన్స్ అంటే ఏంది?
knowing the
ఎన్హాన్సింగ్ అంటే ఇంక్రీజింగ్. ఎన్హాన్స్ మీన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్. ఎన్హాన్సింగ్ వొకాబులరీ. వొకాబులరీని పెంచడానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీడింగ్. వర్డ్స్ ఎక్కువ తెలుసుకోవచ్చు న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీడింగ్ వల్ల. అది టాపిక్ అక్కడ. నాట్ అబౌట్ న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీడింగ్. న్యూస్ పేపర్ రీడింగ్ ఏ రకంగా వొకాబులరీని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, వర్డ్స్ ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఏ రకంగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ జనరల్ క్వశ్చన్. కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్, గ్రామరు, రీడింగ్ స్కిల్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ దట్. The question is, how does a newspaper help you improve your vocabulary? అవునా? మరి vocabulary improve గురించి కాకుండా మీరు జనరల్ గా రాస్తే you will not be given any mark for this. Newspaper లో you may get to read new words every day. You can note down new words from a newspaper and check, look up in dictionary. That is how you can improve your vocabulary. And you have scrambles, your vocabulary puzzles you can find in newspaper. Have you seen? So by filling that puzzle also you can improve your vocabulary. Okay. This question is about vocabulary, how you can improve your vocabulary. 3 sentences you have to write supporting the statement. We can improve our vocabulary reading newspapers by noting down new words every day and looking up in dictionary. We can ask our friends, we can discuss with our friends the new words which we come across in newspaper, and we can improve our vocabulary by reading puzzles. See here, the examples. A very wide range of words are given at. I agree that the newspaper reading helps in enhancing one's vocabulary. A very wide range of words are given at a place. Number of words will be there, you can find in newspaper. Modern usage of words. To know the usage of the words also, you can know the usage of the words in newspapers, how those words are used in context. Words related to different areas can be learned, sports words, movie, science words, all these words you can learn. Okay. No, I think none of you got mark for 16th question. If you have answered about vocabulary, you can write 1 mark. You can give 1 mark to yourself. And then describe the garden in your polytechnic using 6 adjectives. Describe the garden in your polytechnic using 6 adjectives.
my garden is with full of flowers and vegetables.
Where are the adjectives? How many adjectives
Green.
are there? This is, see, from 16th question onwards, 3 mark questions. That is why here you are asked 3 sentences. Here also you have to write 6 adjectives, means 2 adjectives will get you 1 mark. 6 adjectives, 3 marks. If you don't use adjectives, you don't get any mark. 6 adjectives you have to use. Yeah, Tanmay, you are going to say something?
Green, fresh, big, lovable.
But better you use those words in sentences. Describe the garden in your polytechnic. In our
Sir, I wrote like this, sir. My polytechnic looks like I wrote those words, sir.
Yeah, please, as far as you remember, can you please repeat what you have written?
The garden in our polytechnic is green, fresh, big, lovable. I wrote. I remember only these 4 words, sir. I
Okay,
did not
okay,
remember.
okay, correct, correct. If you have written 6, you will get 3 marks. 4 adjectives you have given so far. I am sure you have written the other 2 adjectives also.
Yes, sir. I wrote.
Yes, very good. We have a very beautiful garden in our polytechnic. Beautiful is one adjective. The garden is very big. Big is another adjective. See, that is how you have to write. Here, you read it. You read this one. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This is just an example. It need not be exactly like this. It gives you some examples for adjectives. There is a big, beautiful garden in our polytechnic. How many adjectives have come in this sentence?
2, sir.
2, right. The garden is rectangular in shape. Rectangular or square or round. One more adjective. It has huge shady trees. Again, huge is an adjective, shady is an adjective. Okay. It has medicinal plants. Medicinal is another adjective. It has flowering plants. Flowering is another adjective. It is bright and sunny in the morning. It is well kept. It is neat. Neat is another adjective, or well kept is another adjective. It is pleasant. Pleasant is another adjective. It looks colorful, fragrant. See how many number of adjectives are used in this paragraph. So you have to use at least 6 adjectives. For 6 adjectives, you will get 3 marks. If you use 4 adjectives, you will get 2. For 6 adjectives, you will get 3. For 4 adjectives, you will get 2. For 3 adjectives, you will get 1.5 mark. So adjectives will be counted and you will be given marks accordingly. Okay. If you have done it correctly, add 3 marks, 3 more marks. In the earlier vocabulary newspaper question also, if you have written 3 sentences about vocabulary, give 3 marks. Yes. Now, write the number of syllables present in each word. Very simple. Just he is asking the number of words. You have to read the question and understand it always. What is he asking? He or she is asking us just the number of syllables. They have not asked us to split the word into syllables. Avuna? మీరు అందరూ స్ప్లిట్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా?
Yes, sir.
మరి అక్కడ అడిగిన ప్రశ్న ఏంది? Read the question and answer. Read the question and answer. Don't make the same mistake again in second semester. Now tell me how many syllables are there in keyboard? Slash ఎక్కడ పెట్టింది చెప్పండి. Yes. లాస్ట్ డే కూడా చెప్పాను నేను సిలబుల్స్ గురించి. Have I told you or not about syllables? I have given you
Yes,
some.
sir.
Yeah. Then how many syllables are there in keyboard? So nobody has done this? Very bad. Very bad. I have demonstrated you splitting the words into syllables. So slash, how many slashes are there? That is the number of words, the number of syllables. Keyboard. Key is 1 syllable, board is another syllable. Board is another syllable. 4 syllables are there in this word. Glasses. Glasses. 2 syllables. Significant. 4 syllables. Number. 2 syllables. Rain. 1 syllable. Modesty. 3 syllables. It is very simple. You have missed the simplest question. read the following passage and frame 3 WH questions. Yeah, give me WH questions for this.
Where was APJ Abdul Kalam born?
Yes, correct. Very good.
Yes,
See,
correct. Very good. See,
let me speak.
let me speak.
Where was Abdul Kalam born? Is the question.
Born is the
Or
question.
word
Or
order.
is word order?
So please mute yourself.
Somebody
Somebody's
mute
phone is
yourself. Somebody's
problem.
is
Because of some phone, there is a reverberation. Echoing is coming. Now I have muted all of you. Now it is not coming. Where was Abdul Kalam born? This is the sentence. This is the question. Okay. I am sure at least some of you have written a question like this. Where Abdul Kalam was born? Valuation begin చేసిన I am valuing already, not yours. Where Abdul Kalam was born? అని రాస్తారు. It is wrong. Word order. I have explained about word order number of times. ఒక సెంటెన్స్ ఇచ్చి దాన్ని క్వశ్చన్ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ ని లేదా బీ ఫామ్ ని ముందు తీసుకోవడం, ఒకవేళ హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ బీ ఫామ్ లేకపోతే దాన్ని డూ ఫామ్ తోటి చేసుకోవడం, ఆ డూ ని డస్ ని ముందు తీసుకోవడం. That is how you have to follow. Where was Abdul Kalam born? Yeah, that is, you got read the following passage and frame 3 WH questions. You got 1 mark. Second question.
When was APJ Abdul Kalam born?
Yeah, when was APJ Abdul Kalam born? Correct. One more mark.
correct. One more
What
mark.
did APJ Abdul Kalam
Yeah, what did APJ Abdul Kalam
study?
study? Right. You got 3
Right.
out of 3.
You got 3 out of 3.
Few marks only if you have written question. When Abdul Kalam was born is not a question. When was Abdul Kalam born is a question. See, మీరు when Abdul Kalam was born అని రాస్తే అది క్వశ్చన్ కాదు, 0. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ వాల్యుయేషన్ కనుక మార్క్ వేస్తాం, లేకపోతే రిమార్క్స్ రాసేవాళ్ళం వెరీ బ్యాడ్ అని చెప్పేసి. Read the following paragraph and answer the questions that follow. Hope all of you have read. This is the paragraph about the postmaster. Where were the postmaster's office and living room? ఎక్కడున్నాయి రాసిండ్రా? Now please read the passage. Now please read the passage.
Office and living room
Dark
were in a
dark thatched shed, far from green.
Right, correct. Second question. How did the postmaster spend his leisure time? Leisure time.
He has no leisure time, sir.
No leisure time.
no leisure time.
The men employed
He has no leisure time. Some have written like that also. But let us check. Please read the passage again. Does he have any leisure time?
Men employed in the factory.
Please go through it again. Yes. What is this? Can you give it as an answer? So you have to understand, you have to inferential. See, vocabulary. I told you 4 types of questions will be asked. 5, factual, inferential, vocabulary, experiential. This is inferential question. Or at times he tried his hand at writing a verse or 2. So you can say at leisure time, he tried to write verses in his leisure time. He tried to write verses in his leisure time. What is the meaning of the idiom fish out of water?
Not comfortable, sir.
Okay. Okay, not comfortable. So if you have written 3 correctly, you add 3 more marks. Now, letter
Sir,
to
will we get the marks? Sir, will we get the marks for no leisure time? The B answer B, sir.
that we cannot say. It depends. Sometimes you may get for that also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sometimes you may get. It depends upon the value, the one who values your question paper and that particular time. Yeah. You can add 2 marks for this question. Okay. If you say there was no leisure time, mostly you may not get mark for that. Now write a letter to the principal requesting him or to issue your bona fide certificate. Bona fide antam dinni. Bona fide kaadu, bona fide. From address to address. Idantha telusu kada, anta chesiru kada manchiga?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Subject రాస్తారాయండి లేకపోతే లేదు. And matter. Thank you, sir. Yours obediently. And that is the question. You can add 3 marks for this also. If you are done well, add 3 more marks. Describe any 3 vegetables using 6 adjectives. Again, here 6 adjectives. 3 mark question, 6 adjectives. Yeah. Can you please describe vegetables? Write a few sentences in which you have to write 6 adjectives. Bottle gourd is green in color and big in size. Tomato is red in color and tastes sweet. Brinjal is purple in color and see, it is only one type of answer. Sentences are given here. You can write different sentences. Snake gourd appears like a snake. Snake gourd idea unda? Do you know snake gourd?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Potlakai.
Yes, sir.
Potlakaya. Snake gourd, right. Snake gourd is like a snake. See, we are going to get disconnected in 1 minute. Let us continue on Monday and then begin revising advanced English. That is 2nd semester syllabus. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
We are going to get disconnected. Now, snake gourd looks like a snake. Snake gourd is like a snake. Oh no? Cauliflower has a flower-like look. Cauliflower has